Hello and welcome to today's Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and happy Estate Planning Awareness Week. We are already in October, in the middle of October, and the year has just flown by. And very briefly, the only thing I really want to talk about this week when we talk about estate planning awareness is just the myth, the biggest thing I always hear, excuse me, is, "Oh, I don't have anything, so I don't really need an estate plan. I don't really own a lot. I'm not rich. I'm not wealthy. I don't really need one." And that drives me crazy because an estate plan is so much more than what you have or don't have. Primarily, when I hear those types of comments, I know people are thinking primarily about a will and property that they would be leaving to their family members and loved ones. But an estate plan is so much more than that. Think about, if you have minor children, who's going to take care of your children if something should happen to you? Who do you want to take care of your children should something happen to you? What about your pets? Now, if I'm your family member that you want to take care of your pets, I hope you don't have cats. So, that may require a more thought out process. What about if you end up in a hospital for an extended period of time? Who's going to take care of your bills? Who's going to pay your bills for you? Who's going to have access to your accounts? So those are just a few of the things that are considered when you talk about a whole estate plan. It's not just about, I don't have any property to give to anybody. It's not just about that. So I urge those of you who have had that mindset in the past to kind of pivot over to really talk about what all is involved in the estate planning process, the things that are going on in your life, your family dynamics, the family makeup, if you're single, if you're married, if you have kids, if you have a blended family, those things can get a little more complicated. But they just require a little more thought and a little more planning. And that's the whole point of an estate plan. You don't want to leave your family members in a lurch. You don't want to leave them with so much of a burden that nothing that you would have done on your own is carried out. And so that's the whole point of estate planning. And hopefully you're not thinking that anymore, what you had thought about that other myth that is truly a myth, and that you don't need to be a millionaire to have a good estate plan put in place. And so please get that done. And with that said, I'm going to let you go and enjoy the rest of your day. And hopefully we'll see you back here next time. As always, thanks for watching.